Hi, I'm Jack Douglas from Torchmate, a newly acquired Lincoln Electric company, and we're here at FABTECH. I'm just going to show a little bit about our software. So we have our basic Torchmate CAD that comes with all of our machines, and it allows users to draw basic shapes as well as signs. You can bring in clip art, bitmaps, JPGs, DXFs, anything from AutoCAD, SolidWorks, those kind of programs as well. But you can also draw on it too. So I'll just show here. Quick little drawing. So take a rectangle and we can go ahead and just type in the size that we want. And we can also draw a circle here. Again, just typing in the size. We can set a center point for that rectangle, and that way we can center this circle inside there. Now, one of the nice benefits about Torchmate CAD is that I can tell the computer that this is all one part. And what it'll recognize is that the hole is actually cut out. It's scrap material. And so when you're plasma cutting, you want to cut all of your inside parts first, then move and cut your outside out last. So I'll go ahead and just make a toolpath on this. We tell it what kind of a tool we're using, what kind of lead-ins we want. And what it will create here is our toolpath. So it's going to start outside of the actual cut line, move, cut around the circle, come to the outside, start outside, move and cut. It's offset for the kerf, the width of the cut, and it's also going to do the cut order automatically. So your parts come out the size you drew them. Along with our tool pathing, we also have nesting. So right now I have a sheet laid out that's 15 inches by 15 inches. I can go ahead and I'll just draw a few other different types of parts that we have. And on all of these parts you can specify quite a bit, the number of points, the size, the radius, offsets, those kind of things. So we'll just draw a few different parts here. I'll go ahead and I'm just going to duplicate them so we have quite a bit of them. And I'm going to go ahead and tell it that I want to nest this. Now our nesting software, you can specify the increments of rotation, the space between parts, what corner I want to start from. As I hit apply here, it's going to go ahead and nest them all, nested them in more than one sheet. So we've gone through and we've fit all these parts together to maximize our sheet space. So it really comes in handy if you're cutting a lot of different parts and they're different sizes and you really just want to, maximize your space and waste less steel. So the other nice thing about our nesting is if you had a part with a real big hole, it would know that it was scrap and it would go through and put smaller pieces inside of that scrap. Then when the cut order is done, it'll automatically cut the inside first of all the little pieces, then that scrap piece, and then that outside cut. So our Torchmate CAD is very versatile, and along with it, free and unlimited tech support for the life of your machine, phone, email, and web. We'll keep cutting here at FABTECH and enjoy our show.